Hello, welcome to my channel Learn Tech Philo. So today I want to tell you on how you can run Java program on your Visual Studio Code. In just 4 steps, you'll be able to write your program in Java on your Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you need to install and enable Jdk on your computer. You need to download and install Visual Studio Code. You need to install Java extension on your Visual Studio Code. Then write your first program in Java on your Visual Studio Code. So you subscribe to our channel. You may subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment for an amazing content. Now, first of all, in our previous tutorial we discussed on how you can install and enable JDK on your computer. If you did not watch that tutorial, you can visit in our description part. You'll see a link showing you on how you can install and enable JDK on your computer, right? Now to continue, first of all, you need to check whether Java is installed on your computer on your command prompt. Right. So on my side, you have Java is installed. Java is installed on my computer. Right. If Java is not installed on your computer, you can install from their official website, which is oracle.com. Then let's see how you can install Visual Studio Code on your computer. You can install Visual Studio on your computer. Right. Now, if you visit your favorite browser, then you can just search for Visual Studio Code download. Alright. Now this is their official website, which is called visualstudio.com. Alright. So you click here, then you can download Visual Studio Code for Windows. You can load for Mac, then for the Linux, right? Now if you want to download for the Windows, now you can click here, then it will be downloaded, right? Now first of all, it will bring you to this, then it will start downloading, right? So it will take some time. It takes 73 MBs, so it all depends on the speed of your internet connection. So after you have downloaded, you need to search on your search bar here whether it's already installed. So search for Visual Studio, then it will open this app. This is Visual Studio Code app, right? Now this is a Visual Studio Code Windows. So you need to come here, then you'll need now. So before you create new file, now you need to enable, or the next part as you are discussing. So the next part is to install. We have already discussed on how to install and enable JDK how to download and install Visual Studio Code. So the next part is to install Java extension. Now you just come here on your window, then you come here, then you click on extension, this one, then you search for Java, search for Java. Now when you search for Java, it will have Java extension pack, debugger for Java, Maven for Java, test runner for Java. So you can install the and you ensure it's from Microsoft. Ensure it's from Microsoft, then you click here on install. Right, it will take some time before it's installed. After the installation is over, you'll see now it has been installed. So this is uninstall, or you can just disassemble. Now after that, you have installed your Java extension. Now the last process is write your first program on your Visual Studio Code in Java on your Visual Studio Code. Now let's see, this is now our Visual Studio Code. We need to create a new file. Then you'll need now to save your work. Let's minimize this. Save your work is, let's say, my program .java. So with an extension of .java, then you save. So this should be in later. This is my program .java. Save. Right. Let's now try writing now in Java. So this is public. Then you'll have public class. The class should be this file name, which is my program. Then you'll have curly braces. Then you'll have write public static void main. These are syntaxes that are used in Java, so we'll be discussing in our next tutorial on various syntaxes and in certain comments. Right, now after that you'll have now the curly braces also. Then in between here you'll have now your, this is system out, so the print line, this is print line. Right, then you'll need now to print out hello world. So this is, then after this one here you'll have now your semicolon. Alright, now after that you need to come here, click here on run Java, then you click there. It will take some time.